Peace be upon you. I am Ibrahim, the elected president of Africa, and today I want to deliver a message to every corner of the world. O people of Pakistan, you should be ashamed. Your leader, Imran Khan, who is not just the leader of Pakistan, but of the entire Muslim Ummah, is in jail today. Are you sitting silently? Do you not have any pride? Have you forgotten that he fought for you, that he went to jail for you? We in Africa respect him, consider him our brother, and I will raise my voice at the United Nations. I will tell the world that Imran Khan is not just an asset of Pakistan, but of the entire Ummah. If the people of Pakistan do not awaken, listen, the people of Africa will awaken and will free their brother from this imprisonment. Free Imran Khan. This is the time for unity, the time for pride. Pakistan now.
उम्मीद करता हूं कि आपको आज की वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी। अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो अच्छी लगी है तो वीडियो को लाइक करें और मज़ीद इस तरह की वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लें। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, इजाज़त दीजिए, अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।